We have Cal Cheney to talk about the Asian American community. Did I say your name right?
Yes, you did.
Oh, good. Thank you for coming.
You're welcome. I'm here to speak on behalf of Southeast Asian Coalition, which is based in Charlotte, and any other community members who can relate to what I'll be talking about today. I am Hmong American. My parents resettled in the United States after the Vietnam War to seek refuge from being persecuted by the communist Laos government. I remember Dr. Hamilton Merritt said 40 Hmong lives for 2 wounded American soldiers. When my parents and thousands of other Southeast Asians came to the United States, majority were placed in neighborhoods known as the ghetto. We, Southeast Asian Coalition, are not the model minority. Statistics show that high school dropout among Southeast Asian are a lot higher than East Asians and South Asians. Why is that? Because unlike East Asian and South Asians, many Southeast Asians come to the United States as homeless and poor refugees with little English to no or low education. Our community is not immune to discrimination. Our community is not immune to police brutality. In April of this year, Vaughn, a Laotian refugee who was mentally ill living right here in Charlotte, was killed and shot by Charlotte police. In 2014, Jody, a 47-year-old Vietnamese refugee who is also mentally ill, was shot and killed by Greensboro police. It took 2 years for the family to see police recording of this tragic moment. Now that House Bill 972 is a North Carolina law, it will be more difficult to hold police accountable for their wrongful doings. These are just 2 cases. People are calling police to come with guns to handle mental health issues, when right now, mental health issue is not a police matter. Police brutality and injustice is also an issue in Asian American communities. We are also impacted by municipal violence, racism, and inequality. We were also at the last City Council meeting, but we didn't have a chance to speak. We gave each present City Council members copies of a 2-pager on Asian Americans in North Carolina, a handbill about House Bill 972, and a petition of House Bill 972 with more than 3,000 signatures. I would also like to give that information to you guys later on. Asian Americans are people of color, just like the Black community, the Latina community, and the Native American community. When groups of people are suffering the same things, then shouldn't that convince government officials, leaders, and enforcers to make proper changes that positively affects all sides? We call upon the city to create a sanctuary where there is not. We have asked you to tell us of your progress in making Charlotte one of the welcoming cities. We have asked for the city to not participate in 287G activities, which profile people of color. We have called upon you to mandate racial equality and perfect racial bias training, to report to our progress and the recommendation of the 21st century policing.